Hi guys, Mrs. Hawes here for another exciting lesson here in the Comanche Kitchen Art Classroom today. I am going to show you how, and I didn't think I got it to work, but I did, how to make this little tiny walking dog. And me just setting up my ramp, I got it to work just a second ago. Let's see if it goes again. There it goes. Look, it was walking a little bit. So yay, I didn't think I would get it to work. But here we go. We're going to make that walking dog for you. Now this is a 4th through 6th grade lesson because really it takes just a good skill at measuring. Now, I didn't have a ruler at home, but I do have a sewing tape. You need one that says centimeters, guys. Now, we usually talk about inches at school a lot. Inches on our ruler, right? But we need the smaller side, the centimeter side. That's how this little lesson's going to work. Now, you could use a pencil. I'm just going to use a Sharpie, and you need a piece of paper. It didn't indicate that you couldn't use copy machine paper or notebook paper. I just happen to have a scrap of regular construction paper. So this is how it's going to work. Let me get organized here. Got too much in my way. Okay, so you just need a piece of paper, and I've drawn out what you need to do. And on my Google site, I showed you. I did not come up with this idea. My daughter sent it on, I don't know, TikTok or something. She sent me this little picture of how to make this walking dog. So I'm going to show you how to set it up, and then we will get it going. So the first thing you need to do is you need your ruler, your Sharpie or pencil, and a pair of scissors, a piece of paper. That's it. Easy enough. So first thing you need to do is you need to find the right end of the measuring tape, the centimeter side. That's the CM side. Now, it says it needed to be 15 centimeters long. So draw a line that's 15 centimeters long. Right? That's easy, right? 15 centimeters long. That has to kind of be exact. And then it says on this side here, you make 3 marks at 1.5. So I'm going to find the 1.5. There's the 1, there's a half, and I make a dot. And then I'm going to scooch it over, make another dot at 1.5, scooch it over, and make the 3rd dot at 1.5. And that is it. That is all you have to do for that, is you got your 3 dots at 1.5. And then on this side, you are going to draw it down 15 centimeters back. All right, 15 centimeters back. So you're making what? A big fat rectangle, right? And then I connect my thing. So I'm making a big fat rectangle. Let me get it so you can see it. And then on this side, it's 1.5 centimeters, dot. Pull it over, 1.5 centimeters, dot. And then connect your line. Whoop. Kind of cool, isn't it? Right? Now, one more trick. One more little trick. At the 5 centimeters, boom. And at the 5 centimeters, a boom. And at the 5 centimeters, boom. And at the 5 centimeters, boom. Okay? And that makes a big box. Big box, right? Now, do you remember these little dots that we put down here? These little dots? I just put little dots kind of going straight in. Little dots going straight in. Little dots going straight in. Little dots going straight in. Okay, and that separates it out. This one, big one's going to be your body. These are going to be your legs. This is going to be your head. This is going to be your tail. And that's it. That's really all there is to it, is we are done measuring. And I've laid that picture out there on that Google site if you need to really take a close look. Then all you do is cut it out. Cut it out. I ripped mine, make it go fast. Cut it out. That paper was too big. Cut it out. That's why I say this is probably for 4th through 6th grade, because I don't know if little kids can do that centimeter or draw, but it can help big kids. You can help your little ones, right? They can have a walking dog too. And then you just cut those dotted lines up to the center square, right? Now, I did say, I read out on there that you fold this on this line to make his flat body. And you fold this on this line to make his flat body. Right? And then it said to make it really balance itself, they said the tail, even though not all dogs have curly tail, up, to curl the tail, right? To curl the tail up, and then to bend his head. All I did was kind of just pinch and push it up. They said it works better too if his head is kind of standing straight up, okay? And then I have my feet, and then I have my feet, okay? And then they said you get to do it. You have to make a ramp of some sort, so I'll go back over here and see if I can get this one to work. So all I did was put my MacBook on top of a game and made a ramp. And they said if it doesn't work for you, try a higher ramp, try moving the head around, a different book, something to make your ramp. I didn't think I'd got that one to work, but wow, when I stood it up to video, it really did work. Let's see if this one works. And they said it's gravity. That one's almost working. And they say adjust the tail, and they say adjust the head. So it is a tricker to get her to work. This one's not going to work. I like this one. I had to really fiddle with the feet on this one to get it to work. There you go, a walking dog. Are you ready to go have fun and try to make your walking dog today? I hope you have fun. Show me your ramps and show me your walking dog. See if you can do a lot better than Miss Hawes. You know how I am with origami and folding things. Are you ready? Set, go have fun today.